Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to teach you exactly how you can highlight text in your pages on your Notion workspace really quickly and without any advanced technical skills whatsoever, guys. It is super simple, so make sure you follow along and drop a like. So as you can see, we're on that example page here I created in my Notion workspace for the sake of this tutorial, and I highlighted that text here. So this is how you can model it, guys. So let me add another bullet point just for the sake of this tutorial and fill it with text. So text 1, 2, 3, for example, text 1, 2, 3. And what you want to do after that is simply highlight the part of the text or the word you would like to have highlighted. So with your left mouse, so let me go, for example, with the first part of that line here, text 1, 2, 3. After that, that menu will pop up for you. So what you want to do is click on that arrow down icon next to the fat A here to the right, and or bold A, sorry, and simply use apply one of these background colors here, like brown or blue or any other color. So let me go with purple for the sake of this tutorial, just like that. And as you can see, if I click off, for example, you will see that that text here, that part of the text of that line has been highlighted with a background color. And you may do that also for the other part of your text. Simply highlight it, click on that arrow down icon, or use the shortcut Control H for that, and select the background color below, like this one here, for instance. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.